welcome to my channel. My name is Anne Sapore, and in this channel we like to work with fondant, we like to work with wafer paper, we like to work with cake recipes. We just love to do everything that has to do with cakes. So if this sounds like what you like and you want to see more of me, then you should look below and click on the subscribe button, and there's a tiny little bell besides that. Also click that, that's the notification bell, so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. So today we are going to be talking about this tool. I don't know if you've seen it before. Okay, this is like I call it an airbrush. Yeah, it's like an airbrush. Okay, so we are going to be using this today to work with this. I'm going to be showing you how to use it. It's actually my first time of using it, so we'll be learning together. So let's get started, or let me talk about it briefly. It's like a pump that makes air, okay, and it comes with bottles like this, 4 bottles actually, and they each have a cover. The cover of this one is here, and they also have measurements, I call it lines, okay, to show you where you can put your whatever you want to put. Maybe you want to put 5 mils, 5, 10, okay, and it stops at 40 mils. Okay, so we are going to learn how to use this, and we are going to be spraying our cake gold. So let's get started. Okay, so I've washed my bottle, and I'm going to be measuring some vodka to this first level here, 5 mils. Okay, so let me just finish this. This is vodka, and it has a chocolate fragrance. It's really nice. I like it a lot. And this one has apple, green apple. Very nice. I'm not advertising it though. Okay, so I'm just going to stop at 5 mil. Okay, so here is 1/8 teaspoon of gold dust. Okay, so I'm just going to be putting it into a mix. So I'll just stir it. Alright, so we'll be hearing a baby sound around here. There's a baby right here with me. She's busy trying to catch my attention. So let me get tissue, kitchen towel, so that we can test it before we put it down. So to spray, you pull out and then you push down. Okay, so this is the time to test if our instrument is working properly. Okay, so so you can see that I like what is coming out. It's not too much, and it's perfect for what we're about to do now. So I'll just keep this aside and bring the cake we want to do spray on. So I'll just go now and Okay, so I am done spraying it. I just wanted it at the top. Now I understand that you can also use it dry, so I'm going to be using edible glitter on top of what I've already done. So I have opened it up. I'm just going to be washing this, and then we still have some left. I'm not going to wash this. I'm just going to be covering it and keeping it, saving it for another day. So I think this is a great idea to do. You just cover it up and save it up for another day. Since it's alcohol, I think it can stay in your cupboard without it getting bad, but you may as well decide to put it into your fridge if you want to. So this is a dry bottle. I'm going to be pouring my glitter into it. Okay, so I think I'm not going to be using this. Let's just see. So I'll cover. Okay, so this tiny thing has to be in the hole here. So you put it this way. Okay. So now I'm pushing it. Okay. So it's well covered. So I've removed the pipe in because I feel it's not going to pass through this pipe. Like I said, we are testing this. Okay. So I'm going to be covering it tightly, and then because there's no pipe inside, I'm going to be upside down, and now I'm going to see if it's going to come out. Okay, so the same way we did before, we pump in some air. Okay, let's test it here first.
It's coming out.
I don't know if it's coming out.
It's coming out.
Okay, so this I'm going to put everywhere. Let's see. Okay. It's coming out, but I'm not really. It's not really coming out the way it ought to. So you can see all the tiny glitter all over the cake. Yes, it's really coming out. This is the evidence. Aha! It's coming out so much now. I guess there was something. There was something blocking it before, so you can see all the glitter. So our experiment did work out. Okay, so that's that. So I know some of you will be wondering, where can I get this? So if you stay in Lagos, you can get it from La Gracia store, I think. Cakes and Tools. I'm going to be dropping the link to her shop below. You can get it from her, and you can create this beautiful kind of cake with your tool. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed, remember to look below, click the subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, drop your comments. We'll be so happy to hear from you. And it's a wrap. Thank you.